Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am MD Meyad Rahman. Today we will explain the PrayFind is code. Now I will explain the PrayFind HTML code. In the past, the doc type HTML and HTML line PN declare HTML5 and language. The head includes meta tags for character encoding and responsiveness, a title, a find, and a CSS link, and a favicon. In the body, a notification div shows current and upcoming prayer times. A main container displays a welcome message and a menu links uh, prayer rooms, washrooms, review, and donations. A div shows live uh, Dhaka time updated every second with JavaScript. We have done this using a API. A code is shown for inspiration. The prayer schedule section list today's prayer time. A map shown in map section shown the user location using Google Map. We also connect the data with backend uh, MongoDB server. A form allow user to add new prayer sport with required details. Now my other groupmate will describe JavaScript file.
Thank you, Mahim. As now I'm Hadiatun Jany. Now I will explaining the purpose of our JavaScript code and the part responsible for fetching prayer times. This code is designed to show daily prayer time for a specific city using the Aladhan API. The fetches prayer times function takes two parameters, the city and the country code. It builds the API URL and make the fetches request. Once the data is received, it filters out unnecessary keys like midnight and faster. Then it stores the filtered prayer times in the browser's local storage and calls the display prayer times function to show them on the page. If the API fails, it catches the error and shows an alert. This ensures user get either the prayer times or a messages if something goes wrong. Now then, my group mate Adiba Binte. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Jenny. Now let me explain how the code handles the prayer times already stored in local storage. It uses the get prayer time function to retrieve them. Then it compares these times with the current time to figure out two things. First one is the current ongoing prayer and other is the next upcoming one. Get current time gets the current hour and minute. Find current prayer time function finds the last that already happened, and find closest future prayer time finds the next one after the current time. These are then displayed using the display current prayer time and display closest prayer time functions which update elements in the HTML to show the names and times of the prayers. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Oishi. Now I will talk about how the code displays all prayer times and integrates Google Maps. The display prayer times function takes the full list of prayer timings and adds them as a list in the HTML element with the ID prayer times. Then we have the init map function that uses the browser's geolocation to get the user's current position. It shows that position on a Google map and adds a marker. If location access fails, it displays an error. This feature helps users know exactly where they are while also seeing their prayer times and nearby facilities, which Mohona will explain next.
Thank you so much, Shoyeb. Now I'm going to explain proximity alerts notification and from submission. The check proximity of reminder location function, and it's to define coordinate of a public toilet and a prayer room. If the user is within 100 meters of either, it triggers a notification using the same notification function. Next, there a form with the like name, phone, address, and capacity. When it's submitted, the code sends this data to the local server using a post request. If the server responds successfully, the new location is displayed immediately on the web page. And these features could help people find and register nearby prayer spaces or facilities. So overall, this code combines religious utility with real-world application services to offer a user experience.